So guys, before we start, I'm filming in 720p because 1080p video turns out to be 360p on YouTube. So I'm not gonna give my advice default. YouTube is just super crappy for some odd reason. And that's probably why big YouTubers use cameras instead of phone cameras. So congrats guys, since we hit a lot of views on my Samsung Star 2 review, here are the ringtones.
I can't believe it's so sweet.
Okay, that one is so crappy, I'm not gonna even play that anymore.
I got a story to tell, gotta tell it to you.
It's a really good speaker, by the way. This is my favorite.
I just fly away, never looking back to you. I wanna know what you think
Speaker is too loud.
when I walk down the street.
Auto-tune. The power of auto-tune. Jesus, that speaker is way too powerful. That's on the less. Okay, so now the message tones. That's too loud. I can turn that down now. Okay, that was it for today, guys. Oh, and that last one is called a toy watch. Do you want to know what is it? A toy watch, but a really good smartwatch. This thing. Buy it. Not sponsored. Sorry, guys. So let's shut this thing down now. So yeah, I'm not gonna do more reviews about this phone, but yeah, I still like it. Wanna know if it's 5 views on this, I'm gonna do the ringtones for the Samsung Jet. Also check out my Samsung Jet review. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, smash the sub counter. Bye bye.